Now I'd like to go and make the flashcards for the board game. As I said, you can write it on a piece of paper, or you can make digital flashcards using WordWall or Quizlet, maybe a few other applications as well. I want to go down and just make a random cards. All about flip learning and all about in-class flip. So flip, and I can start just typing the questions here, adding more items, and when I've got about 15 questions for the short version of the board game, I'm going to press done. So give me a sec. So here I've come up with just a number of questions while you were away. You can add some images to make it more interesting, I suppose. I'm not sure if I really need images here. If they were flashcards, maybe I would find some, but for now I'm just going to press done. Just want to show you the various templates, because I'm not really into playing cards for my students. But basically you just flip it, and at random the questions just pop out. Yeah, I'll put a standard, straightforward one, or this one here maybe. This is too plain, I suppose, so I'll use back at this one. And it's all ready to be embedded or shared, the link shared. Here you go, you can share this link and you guys can use it for your games. That's it.